Hello, beautiful people, lovers of good things, lovers of goodwill all over the globe. I bring greetings from a grateful heart. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, depending on your time zone. Thank you so dearly for always supporting this platform. I really do appreciate. In case you are hearing our voice for the first time, or you are coming across us for the first time, we still remain your one and only Progress News, giving it to you back to back. Remember, in this platform, we react to all videos, and your opinion is highly needed. So sit back, watch this video, and
yeah, my people. I just saw a disturbing video, a disturbing propaganda from BBC Igbo. Today's date is what? Today is Thursday, 12 May 2022. Yeah. And this BBC Igbo propaganda says that IPOB disinformation. Say we are bringing problem in the Nigeria, whatever thing they call it. But there's something I want to let our people know. Whenever the kind of case going to court is approaching, you will see them concocting different type of fake stories. You know, that is why you see them, that military husband and that two people they killed. Nigerian government killed them. Don't you know that? Audu. His name is Audu. We have been asking this the same BBC Igbo. Go and show us the family of Audu in Imo State. They cannot show it. Go and interview the family of Audu. That military guy, the military and the wife where they kill. Tell BBC Igbo, go show us where the family is. No. The same day the two couples are doing their traditional marriage is the same day they are traveling back home. Who are you telling all those lies? In our land, when you are doing marriage, traditional marriage, you have to be at home 2 days or 3 days or 4 days or even 1 week before the marriage takes place. How come it's the same day? And when you come to their those that are postal whatever, that card, that invitation card, the marriage supposed to be held in Benue. Which Igbo man they do marriage for another person land? Which Igbo man? Now they go concoct that story. Just go kill innocent people, husband and the wife, in the name of make them tag IPOB terrorists. Do you see the effort they are making to bring down IPOB? They are not even making efforts to make the country great. Rather, they are killing everybody. Now listen. This BBC, they are talking about hate speech. They say that IPOB, with their hate speech, disinformation, they are bringing problem everywhere. Which hate speech are you talking about, BBC? Who started hate speech? You are President Buhari, Mohammed Buhari. He started it. 2015, during his campaign. Buhari said, if he lose, all the monkeys and babu blood will be soaked. When I know hear him, later I travel to UK where they grab him there. They just pretend as if they want to show the world that they didn't like what Buhari said. Why they like it? Buhari, I repeat again, 2015, Buhari said, if he lose election, the monkeys and the baboos' blood will be soaked. So who is the monkey and who is the babu? So what happened? Why are you labeling IPOB a terrorist organization? Eh? BBC Igbo. Good. Now, additional, the media publicity of Buhari, this current regime, una will make a show now. Additional tell everybody, give your land or you die. that one not be hate speech. Fulani herdsmen went to the Owan, Enugu State, go massacre more than almost 300 people there. Una no hear them. Who killed? Even Buhari did not visit that place up to today. He didn't even say sorry. The last video, which made me to shed tears in Ebonyi State, a teenager, Fulani, about 6 or 7 Fulani boys, raped that girl there, open. Everybody saw it. We are talking about people bringing unrest in Igbo land or in Nigeria. Devil Omani, didn't you hear when Devil Omani said that they are Fulani boys are disturbing them, they are raping their women? 2 years ago, BBC Igbo, are you aware that a Fulani terrorist boy raped a woman, elderly woman, till death? You know, hear him? You won't make I begin the count for you. How many ways? You won't make I upload videos to show you evidence of the atrocities of Fulani and the Muhammad Buhari. And you are not aware that the same government went to Kenya to kidnap an innocent person. And we are talking about kidnapping. We are talking about unrest and the hate speech. BBC will go and sit down and think what you can say or what you can do to make sure that country you call Nigeria can be great. Go sit down and they refresh your memory. Think something good. Stop blackmailing and spraying propaganda all over. You believe you can call Facebook, their head office, and they tag anybody, whatever thing you want to tag them. Everybody knows, the whole world knows that Nigeria is a failed country. Who make it failed? The other day, people start to protest about the SARS. What happened at the end of the day? They tag it on the camera. SARS killed somebody. And all of you, BBC, do you want me to upload the video of where the SARS are killing innocent people? Where the SARS will cut you on the road, they will take you to the ATM, you pull all the money where you have and give to them. BBC, do you want to give you evidence? Do you want I show you evidence of where Nigerian military are telling somebody, if you talk again, I will shoot you, and the person talk, they fire the person dead? You want I show you evidence? Do you want I show you evidence of Nigerian police? Ordinary police on the road, because of 2,000 naira, they will tell him, if you don't give me, I will fire you. They say, please don't fire. Oh, they shoot, he die. You want make I show you? Shameless people. People with no shame. The white people just they laugh on. Even me when I go to school, if I carry on enter court now, I go win on. I go win on in the court. I don't need a lawyer. Just my evidence now when I go they provide they give on. When I don't enter prison with that, including you and Buhari and all of una. I beg, my people, make I give now one shocking story. Anytime now the Kano case is approaching, you will see them running up and down, concocting stories. Do you know what happened? Babangida and the people, all the cabals, don't conclude to say maybe they're releasing now the Kano. This coming court when they come so, on the 18th, I think so, yeah, that is next week. They don't conclude to say maybe they release and make it go. Then Igbo politicians, they know accept them. They go pack money, go give Fulani $6 billion, $800 million, $6.8 billion. Everybody's shocked. Even some Yoruba elites, they are shocked because of that money. Did you know why they gave them that money? To hold Nnamdi Kanu hostage or to kill him. That is what they are championing on. That's why you see them making up all these stories, making up the story of the two couple where they kill. They say they killed them. Which place did they kill them in Imo State? Nobody knows. Where is the family of the army in Imo State? Nobody knows. You don't ever see Igbo man where they answer Audu. You don't see Igbo man where they answer Audu. We know all the game where they play. Tell them say they don't fail. Somebody like me, I can never stop. Nnamdi Kanu agenda, it don't enter our blood. It dey inside our blood. It dey my blood, it dey my head, everywhere, all my body. You can't take it away. When I see Simon has failed. Because the job he came to do, he couldn't finish up. They know that he couldn't finish it. That is why you see them with another strategy. And they expect more strategy coming to destroy IPOB. They never fit. That money, $6.8 billion, Igbo politicians went to bribe Fulani to hold Nnamdi Kanu hostage. That is why you see somebody like Apostle Suleiman talking bad on Igbo politicians, saying that Igbos, they are the one destroying themselves. Do you know why he said that? Because of that money. Many people are angry because of that. Even some Fulanis. Let me tell you guys. Fulanis, I'm sorry to say this. Fulanis you see today, they are not all bad like that. They are not all bad like that. Like some of our Igbo brothers, they are dangerous. That's why you see nobody is willing to allow them to be president of Nigeria. Their wickedness, their wickedness. Even you see what they are doing within themselves. Look at it now. Nigerian people just want to give Igbo people presidency. How many of them came out? Ojo Okalo came out. What is the name of this guy? Rocha Sokorocha is out for presidency. Devil Omai, governor of Ebonyi State, is out for presidency. How many of them? Ojo Okalo is out for presidency. There are up to 5 or 6 people who came out from Igbo extraction. Very useless people. This is why you see when some Yoruba people will tell you that Igbo people cannot rule themselves. That is why you see some Hausa people will tell you Igbo cannot rule themselves. Look at by their character. Are you not seeing it? Very, very hopeless people. They cannot choose one person. Look at even Edwin Clark. And I saw his statement the other day. He said that everybody is willing to give Igbo the presidency. But the way he's saying it, the Igbo people, the same Igbo elites, they will make the president to move away from them. And that is what is going on. Tomorrow night, they will say IPOB do this, IPOB do that. People with no conscience. Look at the purpose of them massacring people in Imo State because of oil well. And some people are seeing it like unknown gunmen. Nothing like unknown gunmen. They are fighting over oil well there in Imo State. Sometimes I used to defend these people, but now I cannot defend them again. The money these guys are making in Igbo land is even more bigger than the one the Fulanis are making. I was shocked. All of us are saying that we have oil. We are not enjoying our oil. Fulanis are enjoying it. It's a lie. Ask them why they are fighting. Rocha Sokorocha, how many oil well they have with a Hausa name? Many of them, they have oil well. They make billions of dollars. If you try that place, they will die with you. Are you not seeing the way they are killing people in Imo State? It's oil, not about IPOB. Oil where? That is what they are killing themselves. They think we don't know. They are changing names. You will see some ghost oil well on that place with a Hausa name. Nobody know that Hausa. Now Igbo man get them. These people. Igbo get them. Politicians and then get them. Tie road only to Europea road. They know feel Europea road. Only to kill innocent people. They know. 2023 presidency. Who are you going to support now? And more than 10 of them is coming out for presidency. That is why you see Fulani, Hausa, Yoruba. They are laughing at us. And the BBC is coming here to tell us that IPOB is the problem in Igbo land. Who tell you that? I pray one day those Fulani boys will rape you. Those Fulani boys will rape you. Fulani is that they are bad. But by the time I understand the kind of wickedness in this our Igbo politicians, that is when I understand that even Fulani, they are just like a Jesus Christ, where these guys are. These guys are demons. They are demons. Look at all the road. No one, they don't tie anyone. Good Lord Jonathan, how much did the good Lord Jonathan give to them to tie the road? They know they share all the money. What happened? And now they went to catching Nnamdi Kanu and holding Nnamdi Kanu, using Nnamdi Kanu for politics, believing say it will be all will be well with them. Anything happened to the day anything happened to Nnamdi Kanu, that is the day you people will run and away. BBC will take waiting at the talk now. Anything we start from Nnamdi Kanu, we did not see him. Millions of people, even you, your office BBC, but you will not stay there. This one no be joke. You, all those women where they run on a mat for that BBC, but una no go stay there. This one no be joke. Yang we melon Nnamdi Kanu, mu chere nguri egwu. Nnamdi Kanu ihe ọ kụzila ya baga anyị n'ọkpụkpọ baga anyị n'ome. Na ọ nọzi anyị n'ọbala. You can't change it. Okwe mala etu anụnwa ndị Hausa Fulani si train nke ha, ndị Yoruba na train nke ha. Fulani Nnamdi Kanu train nke anyị. Anyị abịara igbu onye ọbụla, abịara imebi ihe. Igbu anyị egbuo gị. Oyi ọ gwara anyị. Ị na-aga nke gị na anyị na-aga nke anyị. Agitation ọ nọ na Nigerian constitution. Na people can agitate. Anyị ji egbe ka eji mma. Ọrụ flag ka eji. Anagbagbụsị ndị mmadụ. Unu na-eme mkpọtụ. Chukwu kpọkwa unu ọkụ dị ndị oshi. Una fu bero ihe anyị nọ ya na bụ Genesis. By the time elu na Malachi, happy ihe anu na awali with Simon Ekpa and Uche Mofa. The people ekwugo, ike agwụgo onye ọbụla. Ba no ga mmadụ zuo ike ebe.
So my quality people, that bring us to the end of this update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe if you haven't. Subscription is free. Please smash on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, from here, I said bye.